everyone, welcome back to my channel with your girl Damiano. I know I have let down my 541 followers a lot. Like I've been not posting. Technically, I've been not posting from last 2 months, but अगर देखा जाए तो I have not been posting for like 4 months, not any new content. But as I'm shooting, I have edited a weekend capsule thing. So I've already uploaded that. I want to apologize that I stopped all of a sudden, but there was a lot going on. So I thought I have some explaining to do before I get back and before I see you guys, before I so I thought that this kind of communication was really important for me to do. I will tell you what has been going on. So I have been on, as you know, I am married now. So I got married in November end. Then the whole December I was in that new bridal era and just being with my new family members. And then the second month in Jan I came back and I started uploading whole lot of wedding series which you can watch again if any one of you have missed, or if anyone new is watching, you can just go back and watch the whole series. Maybe I was the bride who was vlogging each and everything that was happening. And then what happened after Jan, Feb enters and I go boom, oof, I don't have any content because I haven't shot anything so quickly, because it was Jan. So I had shot this video for like what I want to achieve in this whole year. So kind of a goal setting thing I did. Other than that, I don't think I've posted anything new. And then back again in March, I again went to home because I had a new baby at my place. So I went back to my hometown. Then we visited my in-laws' home. Then again, now in April, I am back and again, kind of thinking, what should I post? How should I post? It's sorry, it's really difficult once you take a break. Then I don't know, I've gained weight, so I am not feeling very camera friendly right now because of all those double chins and motapa and everything. But I always do this to myself. I always do this. I'm always, I don't know, but leave it. Anyways, how have you guys been? And I'm so sorry. I can't apologize enough that I have been away and I have not been shooting, I have not been posting. But yes, I am back, and yes, also the setup is new. Claps. Okay. So this whole new setup is, of course, it's looking very podcasty. It is for podcast only, and of course I'll be restarting my The Girl Next Door 2.0 podcast, or maybe I can pick up something new. I am still kind of in the middle of deciding what I want to do. So, yep. Also, I have started really shooting some content for other Instagram accounts. So, I have a very lovely friend, Pehel. So shout out for Sthirta. So I'm managing their page, not managing, but yeah, I'm shooting for their content and reel. If you want to, if you any one of you is into yoga and wants to learn yoga and include that into your life, you can just go and check out their page. It's Sthirta underscore by underscore Pehel underscore by Shreya underscore and underscore Pehel. So it's Thirta by Shreyan Pehel. And yeah, so a lot has been happening, and I have been contemplating in my head, thinking, rethinking, overthinking, and I was bombarded by all these thoughts ki how do I start? But I knew and I know I wanted to start, but I didn't want it to just start without putting out this video that I'm really, not only to you guys, but I really want to apologize to myself also, because I thought that this whole year I would try to focus on YouTube and I'll create more content and things like that, but I just couldn't. I mean, I could have, but I was just lazy bums. So I won't be lazy bums anymore, and I am back, and I'm back for good. I've planned few contents that will be coming the whole next week, and hopefully I should be able to post content every week from now on. So here's hoping to that. And yeah, I am back. Your girl is back. Damn you, Anuka. Damnness is back. Everything is back. And people who follow me on Instagram, I know, right? Like, I've been gone, like, disappeared from Instagram. It was like on my first Instagram account, if you see Damn You Anu, I had like around 2600 to 3k followers, but then I shut that down. I moved to new account which was Damn You Anu 2.0, but then again I haven't posted anything there, so it's very blank. But I have not been posting yet because I'm still deciding where and how I want to take it ahead. So keep your eye there too. I'm gonna be active there as well, so I'm gonna be shooting some things for Instagram too. Okay, so I thought I needed to address this before I come back on YouTube. Even if we are a small family, but I love each and every one of you, and I love I love that इस बार जब मैं घर गई थी तो there were so many people because it was an whole event न्यू बेबी के लिए. तो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल केम इन, मतलब बहुत सारे मम्मी के फ्रेंड्स या फिर दीदी के फ्रेंड्स या फिर बुआ के फ्रेंड्स और उनके फ्रेंड्स के फ्रेंड्स जो भी लोग आए थे, देवर लाइक हमने देखा तुम्हारा वीडियो और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड थैंक यू. मतलब I didn't knew like people are watching it. So even if it is a single one of you, I know right now the family that I have, it's very close circle, and सिर्फ मेरे घर पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के फ्रेंड्स और मे बी मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स के फ्रेंड्स, दे आर कंज्यूमिंग दिस. बट आई लव यू गाइज. लाइक थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, thank you for supporting me, and I know and I believe and I want that we grow to a much larger family. But yes, I thought and I knew that I had to do this explaining before I start. So yes, I am back and we'll be doing something great. Of course, I'm not leaving my dancing behind me. I am thinking that I'll do more of dancing too, because my main audience and I also love dancing, but I am not feeling it, not feeling that jazz yet. So people who love to see me like move myself, just wait a tinsy bit. But yes, I'll be back there too. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna be back. I am back. Damn you, Anu is back. Okay, I think this was good. This is it. इसके अलावा कुछ रह गया नहीं. I think we are good. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for always supporting me and loving me, and thank you for not disappearing from YouTube like I did. And please come back, all of you, and I'm gonna be here. Promise. Like legit. अच्छा ये तो झूठ बोलने वाला साइन है. कितनी गधी हूँ मैं. Pinky promise. Okay, ठीक है. Bye bye. See you and watch more. And yep, I'm back for good. Bye. Keep smiling.